Welcome back to another special edition of Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. Today we're talking about our Equalizer Slides. Our Equalizer Slides are used on tables with a fixed base which does not move when the table opens, such as pedestal tables. These slides incorporate a rack and pinion system to ensure the tabletop pieces will open and close easily while remaining in balance. We have Equalizer Slides that can accommodate openings from 25.5 inches to 79 inches. This slide will develop a camber or bend to compensate for sagging at the unsupported ends of the table. When you receive your table slides, they will be marked as left and right. Which side of the table you use them on does not matter as long as you have one of each. These slides are attached directly to the tabletop. The table base will not attach to the tabletop. Instead, it is attached to the slides, typically with a plate in between. Both sides of the tabletop will move in order to extend the table, and the base will stay stationary. When installing the table slides, make sure that they are parallel to each other as well as the edge of the table. They should be perpendicular to the opening in the table as well. Install the slides just slightly open, about 1/4 of an inch, to ensure that the tabletop will close before the slides do. Slightly squeeze the parts together when installing to eliminate looseness. If drilling into the slides, pre-drill the holes and check to make sure that they do not go into the moving sections or the gears. This may prevent the slide from moving, opening, or closing. Be sure to view our table slide page on our website to ensure that you are utilizing the correct type of table slide. We also have helpful content available to help you with your extension table build. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 800-849-8876. If you have any questions about our Equalizer table slides, you can visit our website, www.osbornewood.com. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and until next time, we hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.